Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word turmoil, its meaning, definition and the example. Turmoil. The definition of turmoil is a state of great disturbance, confusion, or uncertainty. The synonyms of turmoil are turbulence, confusion, disorder, disarray. Now let me show the example of turmoil. Word and sentences are: he felt her turmoil through their bond and ached to ease her pain. She was quiet as she put form to her thoughts beyond the emotional turmoil. Others left because they feared constant political turmoil in Germany. Because of all the turmoil in our lives, I had no training at all for this birth. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.